This is store owner. He just launched a new website built on Magento and is now ready to conquer e-commerce. But what should he do with the website? What are the next steps? Hi, this is Vladimir with you today. Let's talk about something that many store owners ignore. Magento support. Launching an e-commerce store is not enough. E-commerce businesses rely on complex architectures and various solutions for checkout, fulfillment, payment, processing and security. There is a lot that can go wrong, damage customer trust and impact revenue. If you can't guarantee that your website works at 100% all time, you're losing your revenue. The impact is even more drastic for businesses with no offline presence. So, what can you do? Let's find out. Wired headphones are great and provide high-quality sound, but they are limiting what you can do. You can compare the situation with the e-commerce store that requires some technical improvements. After a new business is launched, business owners usually concentrate on business tasks. But conversion improvement and optimization are impossible without regular updates to the website. The main task is ongoing development, and support services is to constantly work on functionality improvements, implementation of updates based on customer feedback. Technical improvements can include fixing any bugs and issues relating to the existing functionality, integration with third-party solutions and services such as payment solutions, CRM systems and marketing software, and so on and so on. Development of new functionality based on the data analytics, marketing analysis and business trends and customer feedback. So, what are the benefits technical improvements in Magento support? Regular updates to the website functionality and constant work on its improvements are the best way to increase conversion rate and revenue. You might not even realize that your computer is outdated and lacks performance until you try a better one. The same goes for online stores running on Magento. With the growth of e-commerce websites come a number of challenges. The increasing number of orders and the growing number of SKUs one day will impact website performance, harming customer experience, and in some cases you might even face downtime and lose a huge part of your revenue. For example, every hour of downtime for such a retail giant as Amazon costs around $30 million. For an average merchant, this sum might be around $3,000. That's where Magento support services came in handy. With 24/7 performance monitoring, you don't need to worry about performance drops when thousands of visitors simultaneously browse on your website. Server fine-tuning allows website to run without any downtimes and lower server costs. For example, server optimization for one of our clients allowed us to increase website speed by 10 times while reducing cost expenses by 4 times. The key results of ongoing performance optimization, the smooth work of your website under any loads. You don't need to worry about scaling up your website, as a team of professionals takes care of the task. Isn't it great to have someone who's ready to lend a helping hand at such extreme situations? The same goes with the e-commerce industry, filled with numerous security threats. Don't you know that around 1/3 of cyber attacks are executed against the e-commerce industry? Well, that is the nightmare for merchants. When we talk about e-commerce, we're talking about websites that process a lot of vulnerable data, such as payment details and personal identification information. Without regular security checks, you might not even suspect that hackers have already stolen information from your site. So, what can you do? Security checks are part of Magento support services. You get website monitoring and checks for malware to ensure there are no vulnerabilities that lead to data theft. Magento updates, monitoring and installation ensures that the latest security patches are installed as soon as they are released. The team makes sure that the update is installed successfully and it's compatible with all custom features. Your Magento is also configured to meet the best security practices. You'll have two-factor authentication to access to the admin panel, Google reCAPTCHA and much more. Thanks to the security checks and updates, you can sleep tight at night knowing that your store is protected from hacker attacks 24/7.
You want to get a high-level and uninterrupted customer experience when visiting a bar. Then you should provide the same customer experience for the visitors of your online store.
Customer experience plays a key role in the success of your store. If you don't provide one-step checkout, social login and advanced product recommendations, your e-commerce business is probably losing impossible revenue. You might not even suspect that there are some issues that interfere with customer experience. Thanks to the Magento support, you don't need to worry about such problems. A complex approach allows to analyze customer experience and website usability, identify any issue and make data-driven decisions for necessary changes. The changes should be applied to all pages of the website, including product pages, category pages, checkout and so on. CX improvements aim to provide better customer journey and higher customer satisfaction. All improvements combined deliver a higher conversion rate and boost your revenue. Magento stores can operate without constant support, but they cannot grow. Without regular improvements, they can't guarantee a higher level of performance and security, deliver a great customer experience and provide you with all latest features. So what's going to be the next step? Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, stay tuned for new videos, and I see you soon!